Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer a WordPress website from cPanel to Hostinger. Why Hostinger? I am working as a freelance web developer and cybersecurity expert for 14 years. In this time I have used so many hosting. According to my experience, Hostinger is one of the best hosting. It is cheaper, fast loaded and secure than all others. If you already have a Hostinger account, congratulations. If you don't have, go ahead and buy a hosting from Hostinger. Please use my affiliate link and 5% discount coupon code. I'll put my affiliate link and discount coupon in this video description. Now, without wasting any time, let's see how to transfer hosting from cPanel to Hostinger. In this video, I'm gonna transfer this website from this account to this Hostinger account. To do that, I have to download files and database. After logging to the cPanel, I will come to the exact file location. Now I will click select all, then right click and compress. I can choose compress type from here. For now, I am choosing zip archive. I'll scroll to down and give it a name. Then click to compress files. File compression successful. Now I will right click to this zip file and click to download. Download will start instantly. Once it is done, I will go back to cPanel. I'll scroll down and find phpMyAdmin. From here, I will select the exact database. In my case, this is the database. If you don't know your exact database, come to the cPanel and click to the file manager. Then come to the exact website and find a file called wp-config.php. Right click here and click edit. Then click edit again. You will see your database name here, database username and database password. So this is my database username, that is exactly the same database here. Now I will export this database. To export this database, I will click to the top export tab, then click to export. Fantastic. My database is also exported. I have done my job from cPanel. Now I will come to my Hostinger account and click to the website. Here you will see your list of websites. To add a new website here, click to add website. If you choose WordPress here, then a new WordPress will install here. We are not going to install new WordPress, but we are going to upload files and database. To do that, we will click to the custom PHP HTML website. Put your domain name here. This is my domain name that is registered from Namecheap. I'm going to click here. Here is a warning message that means I have to verify my ownership of this domain. I'll do this later. For now, let's click to next. Fantastic. Our website folder is created here. First of all, let's connect this domain to this website folder. I'll click to this check guide. Here's the DNS that I need to update from my domain. So I'll log into Namecheap. This is the domain name that I am transferring now. I'll click to the manage button. This is the previous DNS. I will go to the Hostinger panel and copy this DNS. I'll paste it here. I'll copy this DNS and paste it here. Now let's save it. Just click here. It can take some time, but no worries, we can continue our work. I'll click to this checkbox and finish. Here I will upload my files to the file manager. I'll go to the public_HTML folder. I'll delete this default PHP file. Now this folder is completely blank. Now I will upload that file I've just downloaded from my cPanel. To do that, I will click to this arrow icon, then select file. This is the file that I just downloaded. I'll select this file and click open. It will start uploading. Fantastic. Our file is uploaded. Now we will extract this file. I will right click here and click extract. Everything will remain same. I will just add a slash here, then click to extract. Good. Our file is extracted. Now we will go and import our database. To do that, I will come to the Hostinger again and click to this database. I will create a database here first. For that, I have to give it a name, a username, and a password. Let's do that. Once it is done, I will click to create. Before create this, be sure to keep this information in a safe place because we will use this information to our files to change the database information. Let's click to create. Great. Here is our database. Now let's import our database. To import our database, I am going to enter phpMyAdmin. This is our newly created database. Now come to the import, click to choose file, then select the database, then open. Everything will remain same. Just scroll down and click to import. Wait a bit, this database will be imported shortly. Fantastic, our file import is done, database import is done. Now we will come to the files again and find this file wp-config.php. Right click here and click to edit. You will find this information: db name, db user, db password. You remember few times ago we have just created a new database username and password. We will put it here. After that, let's click to save changes. Fantastic. Let's close it. Then come to the cPanel and refresh here. Our domain name is not connected to the Hostinger yet. It can take some time. We will wait. Once this domain is connected, I hope everything will fine and our website will loading fine. And we will see our website is loading without any issue. Don't worry, I will show you that. Good news is our domain is connected to this hosting. Now let's refresh it again. Yes, it is. Now let's see our website. I have checked that already. Now let's refresh. It's working. Let's see the blogs, contacts. This page is broken. Let's open a blog post. Everything is smooth and fast. So this is how you can transfer any website from cPanel to Hostinger. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope to see you in the next WP Bravo tutorial. Till then, take care.